guys, it's your girl MissRessaT. And I'm back with another video. This video is another lock video, so if you're interested in that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you're liking them, and share this video with anybody. I documented my natural hair journey, so I'm going to continue by doing that by doing my lock journey. This is an exciting moment for me. This is my first retwist of my locks officially. As of today, I am 1 month and 5 days locked, so I'm very excited about that. I did my first wash. You can check out that video in the link it in the iCard somewhere. And then this is my second lock video. Excuse the gum, y'all. I'm intermittent fasting and I can't eat after 9. And normally I'm good, but today I wasn't feeling well, so I didn't eat a lot of food. I'm sorry if I sound stop up, because I am sick. So I am a little hungry today since I wasn't in the mood for eating earlier. So I'm just trying to chew on some sugar-free gum. But this is the results of my twist out. Lord, my retwist. I am so used to being loose natural. I am so excited, y'all. I don't know how the back looks. I will see it when I edit it, but let me turn around. Which way can I turn around when I knocking everything over? If you can only see how much stuff I have around me. So this is the back. You'll see that these are a lot looser. The ones in the back are a lot looser. It looks nice. It looks nice and shiny, and it's flat as all flat can be. So I am interested to see how that's gonna work out. But I was able to also retwist my edges, because there are some that are just smaller, and we hope that will develop in nice locks. So yeah, you guys, you'll see in the upcoming clips what I use to retwist my hair. I did watch a lot of videos, and I made a decision to retwist my hair with gel. And this is the products that I use. I use this Jane Carter Twist and Lock for natural and lock hair. I wanted to use this because the first ingredient is shea butter, and I was going to do shea butter in gel, and I was like, I could just use this, and it does not have beeswax, because I have been seeing videos about buildup and I don't want to experience that. But they're also saying the gel would do that too. But my hair has always loved gel. We shall see if that's something I continue to retwist with. If I continue to do it myself, I just want to do it myself this time, so I can count my locks and to see if I can do it. And I think I did a pretty freaking good job. Like, if I must say so myself, I think I did a pretty freaking good job. I'm loving my hair, except for the flatness, but it is what it is. I am still loving it. So, guess how many locks I got, you guys? Can you guess? Can you guess? I have 142 locks. Woo! So hopefully that's right, because y'all, I was trying to like keep count of the sections or whatever. So for my count, I have 142 locks, and I hope it stays that way. We don't want to lose any of them. So yeah, that's it. Didn't want to make this video long. There are 1,000,001 tutorials on YouTube. Believe me, I watched 1,000,001 of them on how to retwist your hair. So this is not a tutorial. This is just documenting my journey. So yeah, that's it, you guys. And until the next one, don't forget to live, learn, record, and then share, y'all. Smooches. Storm. I really want you to realize, I really want to put you on. I've been searching for someone to satisfy my every need. Won't you be my inspiration? Be the real love that I need. Real love. I'm searching for real love. So set my heart free. Real love. I'm searching for real love. Ooh, when I met you, I just knew that you would take my heart and run. Until you told me how you felt for me. You said I'm not the one. So I slowly came to see all the things that you were made of. And now I hope my dreams
Yes.